Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Sticker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. In today's video, we're going to be checking out some curly haircuts and hair color ideas. Ooh, that first one was absolutely gorgeous. So here we have someone else going to get a curly haircut. Beautiful kind of shaggy cut, beautiful bangs in the front. So it looks like this one is going to be a hair color transformation. So she already has like kind of honey blonde colored hair, and it looks like the stylist put in like hints of pink. Oh, that is really pretty. Gorgeous color combination. She also got some bangs and some layers put in. Really cute style. The pink is like so subtle, you have to really look close to kind of see it, but I think it looks gorgeous. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with purple dip dyed hair. So the stylist is just kind of defining the curls. Very cute. Looks like she got like a stacked layered bob, like a shaggy look. Shaggy bob with curls. Really cute. I love the purple color too, by the way. Oh, she cut it even further. I think I liked it better with the purple. But this is still cute. Next up, we have someone with grown out blonde hair. Switch it up to this beautiful copper shade. Gorgeous color. So don't forget to like today's video if you feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have another curly haircut for this next transformation. Looks almost like the stylist is doing like a curly layered bob. And then we have someone with, looks like bleached blonde hair. Oh, so she got some more color and bangs. She got like a beautiful sandy blonde color, very pretty. I love the cut too. The bangs just look so cute. I think that's probably like one of the best curly haircut ideas that you can rock for. If you do have curly hair, the wolf cut and the curly shag are definitely trending heavily right now. So then we have someone else with curly hair. So I'd say her hair is probably like around neck length or so. It looks like the stylist is just kind of like trimming up her ends and shaping the hair. So she got kind of like a curly bob shape. Very nice. So we have someone with long curls. It looks like she got a nice layered curly cut. Very pretty. And then we got like a more shaggy curly cut. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.